Good morning, boys and girls. We are in the session number 2 in natural science, and today we are going to work on page 104 and 105 from your natural book. Where do materials come from? Natural and manufacturing materials. The first thing that you're going to do is you open your book, natural book, on this lesson. Okay, where do materials come from? Okay, you need to read the page, the 2 pages, and you see that you can use also the online book, so you can listen to the audios. It will help you to understand better, to follow the reading, or you can read by yourself the explanation, looking at the pictures. What they explain in these 2 pages is that the materials that we use, okay, comes from 2 different ways. They can be natural materials, so it means that they come from the nature. Maybe the material comes from plants, from animals, or from the ground. They are natural materials because you can get them from the nature, from the plants, the animals, or the ground. And then we have in the other side the manufacturing materials, that they are materials that are processed. They process the natural material into another material. So they process, they do a change. Maybe they come from natural materials, but they process into a different materials. This is called manufacturing, or maybe they use chemical things to change the material from natural material into manufacturing material. So for example, the wood is natural, is something that you can get, it's a natural material. But if we do a process and we use chemical things, we change the natural material, that is the wood, into paper. So paper is not a natural material, it's a manufacturing material because it changed from a natural material into manufacturing material. So this is more or less the lesson, that you are going to read natural materials and manufacturing materials, and to know how the materials are processed or where the materials come from, where we get these materials from the nature. Once you finish the reading, you can open your activity book, page exercises 9, 10, and 11 in the activity book. That if you open is this one, exercises 9, 10, and 11. That is about this type of material. Here you have to write if the sentence, complete the sentence with natural material or manufacturing material. Here you have to classify these materials into natural materials or manufacturing materials. And in the last one, number 10, here you have photos that explain how the paper is manufactured from the wood in the forest, how we make the paper. So you will have to order the photos, put them in order, and then using the sequencing words, if you remember from literacy, you will have to explain the process of how to make paper that is a manufacturing material. So write in order the sentences first, number the photos, and write in order the sentences. Once you finish the activity book, exercises 9, 10, and 11, here we finish with the session number 2. Bye-bye.